Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change color of add to cart button in your Shopify. So this is the add to cart button which we are going to change. So it is very easy. Just go back to your Shopify account and right here we need to select our online store. Then you will see the theme which you are using. This is the theme currently I'm using, but you can follow the same process which I'm going to show you. So no matter which theme you have. So we just need to click on these three little dots. Then here you will see the option edit code. Now here you will see the option filter file, so just click here and type product. Now scroll a bit and here you will see this file section minus main.product.css. we need to open it. Now here we need to click anywhere else just like this and now hit Ctrl plus F so that you will see this find section, and here in the find we need to type submit just like this and click on next, and here you will see this type of text product minus form __ submit. Then just click here and hit enter. Here we need to type background color, this is the one, hit enter now, and just here we need to add colon space, and if you want to select the color you can just enter the color name. Like if you want to add yellow you can just select that from here, but I want to paste the color code so that I can get the exact color, and for that I'm going to use this side so that I can get the color code. I want to select red background for my add to cart button. I'll just select that from here, and this is the code which we need to copy. I'll just select it, hit Ctrl plus C, go back to the this section, and here we need to paste it. Now here we need to type semicolon, just hit enter, and now this time is to change the text color. So for that we need to type color, this one, again add colon space, and now I want to select white color, so I can just type that instead of pasting the code. So this is the white, I'll just select that. Now add semicolon, then click on save, and if I just click on preview store now and select any product from here, let's suppose I select this one, and yeah, there you go, we have successfully changed the color of add to cart button. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.